Children, let us continue the chapter Exponents and Powers. There are some large numbers and some small numbers. We can express them in the form of exponents. Then you can identify them easily. You can express very large number in the standard form and also in the exponential form. See here, the distance from the earth to sun. Distance from the earth to sun. So it is little bit difficult to read it. So if you express them in terms of exponent, then you can express it easily. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. 1496 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can write 10 to the power of 8. 10 to the power of 8. Again, you can take these three terms after the decimal point. Then it becomes equals 1.496 into 10 power 8. Here 3 digits we have taken after the decimal point, then it becomes 10 power 3 for this. So it becomes 1.496 you can approximately equal to 500. So you can write 1.5 into 10 to the power of 8 plus 3 becomes 11 meter. The speed of the light is 30 crore meter per second. How you can express this in the form of exponents? So you know that equals 3 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are there. 10 to the power of 8. 10 to the power of 8 you can write meter per second. So you can write that speed of the light equals 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Then thickness of class 7th maths book is 20 millimeter. So you know that 10 millimeter equals 1 centimeter, 20 millimeter equals 2 centimeter. So you can write 20 mm equals 2 centimeter directly, or if you want to write 2 into 10 to the power of 1, or in terms of you can write 2.0 centimeter. The average diameter of red blood cell is 0.000007. So if you want to express that in the form of exponent, then what you can write here? That equals here 7 you write 7 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That becomes 10 to the power of minus 6 you can write, because it is they are the digits after the decimal point. So you can write them as 7 into 10 to the power of minus 6 mm. The next one is the thickness of human hair is the range of 0.005 centimeter to 0.01 cm. Now you can write it as that is equals 5 into 1, 2, 3 are the 10 to the power of minus 3 cm2. 1, 2 means 1 into 10 to the power of minus 2 cm. That you can write here 5 into, or otherwise you can take here as you have taken 1, then you can take the same exponent here. That becomes only you take the 2 digits, it becomes 0.5 into 10 to the power of minus 2, because here it is better to take the same exponent to compare. Here we have taken only 2 digits before the decimal point, and 0.5 is there, means 1 digit is after the decimal point. So here, as we have taken 2 zeros left, therefore we have to take minus 2. Here 2 digits are taken to the integral part to the left side, so you can write that is 1 into 10 to the power of minus 2. So the range of thickness of the hair is 0.5 to 10 to the power of minus 2 cm to 1 into 10 to the power of minus 2 cm. Then the distance of the moon from the earth is, that is 300 crore 84 38 crore 44 lakhs 67,000. So here you can write that is equals to, you can write this much first, 384,467 into 3 zeros if you want to take, that becomes 10 power 3. Again you can take this as 3.84467 into 10 to the power of, here 1 2 3 4 5, 10 to the power of 3 into 10 to the power of 5. So it becomes 3.84467 into 10 to the power of 8 meter, approximately 8 meter, that you can write here. Or otherwise you can take 384.467 into 10 to the power of, here again you must have taken this 2, means it becomes 10 to the power of 6. Then you can write 384.46, means that is approximately 5. You can take 10 to the power of 6 meter. All are correct here. You can use any one. Now the 7th one, the size of the plant cell is 0.00001275 meter. If you want to express this in terms of exponents, here the digits are 1 to 75, and if you brought these 4 zeros before the decimal point, if you move them to left side, here you must take 10 to the power of minus 4, as it is points after the digits after the decimal point. So it becomes 0.1275. Here 1 2 3 4, 4 digits are moved towards left into, so it becomes 10 to the power of minus 4. And if you brought one more, that becomes 10 to the power of minus 5. If you brought 2 more, that is 12.75 into 10 to the power of minus 6. If you brought 3 more, then it becomes 10 to the power of minus 7, like this way. So you can have here 1275. If all these are moved, then it becomes 10 to the power of minus 8 meter. 1275 into 10 to the power of minus 8 meter, or otherwise you can write 12.75 into 10 to the power of minus 6. Add this 7 and 5 are after the decimal point. That also you can write. That is depending upon the number of digits moving towards the left side, that is towards the integral part. So here you count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So you have taken 10 power minus 8. Next one, let us take the average radius of the sun is how much? 6 lakh. The seventh one, the size of the plant cell is 0.00001275 meter. If you want to express this in terms of exponents, here the digits are 1 to 75, and if you brought these 4 zeros before the decimal point, if you move them to left side, here you must take 10 to the power of minus 4, as it is a points after the digits after the decimal point. So it becomes 0.1275. Here 1 2 3 4, 4 digits are moved towards left into, so it becomes 10 to the power of minus 4. And if you brought one more, that becomes 10 to the power of minus 5. If you brought two more, that is 12.75 into 10 to the power of minus 6. If you brought three more, then it becomes 10 to the power of minus 7, like this way. So you can have here 1275. If all these are moved, then it becomes 10 to the power of minus 8 meter. 1275 into 10 to the power of minus 8 meter, or otherwise you can write 12.75 into 10 to the power of minus 6. Add the 7 and 5 are after the decimal point. That also you can write. That is depending upon the number of digits moving towards the left side, that is towards the integral part. So here you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you are taken 10 power minus 8. Next one, let us take the average radius of the sun is how much? 6,95,000. So here 6,95,000. 6,95,000. Here how many digits you are taking after the decimal point, that counts to take the 10 power. For example, that is 69500. One digit means 10. 6950 means 10 power 2. 695 into 10 power 3, or 69.5. 69.5 10 power 4, or 6.95, that is 10 power 5, or 6. So if it is convenient for you, you can write this one, that equals what? 6.95 into 10 to the power of 5 kilometer. So in many ways you can express. That is the discussion made to express this in terms of exponent. Now if you want to convert this into normal form, it becomes 6.95 into 10 power 5 means this one. Then you multiply means here it becomes 695. How much? 12340. 12340. And where we have to keep the point here? Here 50 means 40 you have taken, that you have to take 50 because 10 power 5. So it becomes, then here we have to put the point 2 means here. The same value will get here. 6,95,000, this value. So both are same. Here this and this are same. Next let us take mass of propellant in a space shuttle solid rock booster is, that is 5,03,600 kg. 5,03,600 kg. Now that is 5,03,600 kg. So you can express it as this as 5036 into 10 power 2 or 503.6 10 power 3 or 50.36 into 10 power 4 10 power 4. Like this way you can write here, which is convenient you can write here. So it is 50.36 into 10 power 4 kg. 10 power 4 kg. That is okay here. So next let us take thickness of piece of paper is 0.0016 cm. So you can express this as move one point here. If you move 0.16, that is by moving 2 points you will get 10 power minus 2, because here the point with numbers, the digits which are after the decimal points are moved to the integral part left side, so the power becomes negative exponent. You will get the negative exponent here. But in the above case, here the points are moving integral part to this decimal part. In that case we are having the positive exponent. Here it is in the opposite direction, so here we have to take the negative exponent. Or otherwise you can take 16 into 10 power minus 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are moved, then it becomes 16 into 10 to the power of minus 4. So you write 0.0016 cm equals, you can write 16 into 10 to the power of minus 4 cm. 16 into 10 to the power of minus 4 pm. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 digits are transferred to the integral part. Next, diameter of a wire on a computer chip is 0.00. The diameter of a wire on a computer chip is 0.000003. So you can express the exponent form 0.000003. Count the number of digits after the decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here if all are transferred to the integral part, it becomes 3 into 10 power. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits are transferred to the integral part, so it becomes minus 6 meter. Minus 6 meter. So 0.000003 meter is 3 into 10 power minus 6 meter. The next, the height of Mount Everest is 8,848 meter. 8,848 meter. So you write 8,848 meter. You can write it as it is, or otherwise you can write it as 8.848 into 10 power 3 meter if you want to express this in terms of exponent. Now try these. Write the following numbers in exponential form. The first one is 0.00000564, and if you want to move all this to the integral part, that is to before the decimal point, then it becomes 564, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it is 10 to the power of minus 9. 10 to the power of minus 9. Or if you want to keep any two digits, that is nothing but 5.64. Here this point comes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 power minus 7. Now 0.000005 0.0000021. Here, how many digits are there after the decimal point? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you remove this decimal point, how many digit comes? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 means you have to multiply it by 10 to the power of 7. So it is nothing but equals to 21 into decimal points are removed. 10 power, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That you have to write minus 7. So if you want to keep one digit after the decimal point, then you can write 2.1 into. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can write minus 6. That is depending upon the number of digits transferring to the left side. Both are same here. You can write this way or this way. Next, here it is. It is 2 crore 16 lakh. 2 crore 16 lakh, and you can write 216 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 to the power of 6. Or if you want to take decimal point here 2.16, then it becomes 2.16 into 10 power 8. 10 power 8. Both are same here. Or otherwise you can write it also 21.6 into 10 power 7. That is, they are all same. Next it is 1 crore 52 lakh 40,000. Now you can write it as, in the first step you can write 1524 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 power 4. Or otherwise you can write 152.4 into 10 to the power of, one decimal point is have taken, means next you have to take power 5. Or 15.24 into 10 power 6. Also you can write 1.524 into 10 to the power of 7. All are same here. Here 1524 into 10 power 7. If you take 1 point after this decimal point, then becomes the power 1 power more. Again 2 point after the decimal point means again 1 power more, that is 2. 4 plus 2, it becomes 10 power 6. So if you take 3 points after the decimal point, that becomes 10 power 7. Like this way that you can write. Here in this case it is 1524 into 10,000 into that is 10,000, and in this case it is 152.4 into 1 lakh. In this case it is 15.24 into 10 lakh. Similarly it is 1.524 into 1 crore it becomes. So here this is expressed this as a exponent. Both are same here. In this way you can express the given number in the exponential form in many manner, that is depending upon the number of digits shifting towards left side and right side.